Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Explorer cabin air filter full guide. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then open the glove box and remove its stops to lower it fully. Locate the filter housing behind the glove box, pinch the tabs to release the cover, pull out the old filter, and note airflow arrow direction before installing the new filter. Gather a few tools and parts before you begin to save time and avoid interruptions while working under the dash. You will need a new cabin air filter, a flashlight, a pair of needle nose pliers for clips, and a soft brush or vacuum to clean debris from the housing. Inspect the filter seal and replace any torn clips, then reassemble in reverse order, ensuring the filter arrow points toward the HVAC blower. Quick recommendation: if you like practical gear, consider the socks you can trust for long shop sessions and road trips. Encourage viewers to subscribe and like if they are finding the video helpful, and please support the channel by checking the description for the product link and other deals. I'm highlighting darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty because comfort matters during wrenching and weekend driving. Now let's get back to the video. If you notice persistent odors, reduced airflow, or unusual HVAC noises after replacement, double-check the filter orientation and housing seal. A crushed or incorrectly seated filter can allow dust bypass, so remove and inspect for gaps, debris, or damage. Also check the cabin air intake door and clean any accumulated leaves or pine needles. Then test the system on high fan and a higher temperature setting to confirm improved airflow and quieter operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.